Here I have OPPO F21 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter secret codes on this device and also how you can enter these secret codes. So, to enter secret codes you have to open dial pad and enter secret codes here. And the first code for today will be *6776#. And this is the software information menu. As you can see here, you can find like different interesting advanced information about your OPPO device. The following code *888#, and this is the engineering mode with like your PCB number and QR code to it. The next code will be *426#, and this is the Fcm Diagnostics menu. Here you can view some information about your Wi-Fi connection. Something like that could be useful. The next code will be *225#*, and this is the calendar info. So if you have any calendars added on your device, they will be displayed here. Could be useful, I guess. The next code will be *800#, and this is the feedback menu. So here you can like write a feedback, your experience from using this OPPO device. You can like write a message to OPPO office or something like that, where they work on their future OPPO devices, I guess. You can report an issue, like if you find some bug or something else. So yeah, very interesting and useful feature. So the next code will be *1234#, and this is the software version. Next code will be *#4 zeros, and this is the other device info menu. So as you can see here, you can find some information interesting. Next code will be *07#, and this is the maximum SAR level information. And the last code for today, *06#, and this is the code which displays your email numbers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.